breathe, man.
What do you got? A gyro? Gyro?
Gyro.
Tell them.
Gyro.
I'll record that. Okay. Yeah. What? It's a bitch. Yeah, this is giving Earth. It's giving Earth. It's not clicking. Okay. Yes. Oh, it's good. And then mine. Oops. And then mommy. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. It's whipped cream. Let me taste it. It's kind of sweet. Oh my gosh, love. Oh my gosh, you see that? Stiff peaks. I'm about to let this key lime pie chill. You see it? Here's the final product. I didn't know what to do with the whipped cream, but this is what I figured out to do. I'm excited to eat it. It's like 9 p.m. But yeah, ready to taste test. So you get a little scoop. I am. Get a little scoop. Did you just bite already? Cheers. Not bad. I wish it was a little bit more tart. How do you feel? Out of 10.
I give it a 10.
10 out of 10, girl.
A snake.
You see my arm is? Hunting, but we strike if they feel good. See the copper
So we saw.
on the spaceship. Oh no, that's a fish. That's a bigger size fish. See right there? Don't drop the damn thing in.
I love you, turtles. Oh my gosh, a baby. It's swimming.
So weird.
It's swimming. Good job, good job. I'm doing some scrapbooking. I have some pictures right here, and I printed out stuff that pictures I've transferred over onto my computer, and now I'm just trying to cut some and put some together on this piece of paper, and I already have some on here, and yeah, so I'm putting little backgrounds around these. I'm gonna put it in my actual book. It's over here. Today I've got a lot done. So this is what it looks like now. This one, I'll just show you a little bit of one, and I'll show you after. Okay, so here it is. I put these there. Yeah, it's a little moment. This is how most of them are gonna be. I'm just trying to keep them in order, like based on the year and whatnot. And here's some more memories. Some of them I just don't have any words to put on yet, but I might add to it, you know, here and there. And there's some more. Let's see what this is. There's more pictures. This was a Halloween party. Me and my bestie. And then when I had a really cute outfit on, I took a picture of that. And I think that was on Instagram or Snapchat or something. But that was a summer. That was like Halloween of the same year, I believe. So yeah. I just have a bunch more. I went to Disney World and stuff, and this is all high school right now. I haven't gotten to college yet, like all those, but I'm excited to keep doing my thing. I added to these already, but yes.